entry ports in tech. So you are looking into the possibilities of a new profession or a career change and wondering what is a good career choice, and you are considering information technology. Believe me, you are making the right choice. I know you must already have your reasons for wanting to do so, but I'm going to give you, even more reasons for you to do that. You're actually making a step in the right direction, because information technology industry is one of the fastest growing sectors worldwide, and it provides jobs for, professional success. The IT industry offers, quick employment, opportunities in every sector, multiple career paths, high salaries, and it's easy to enter this industry even without a college degree. And that's the most beautiful part of it. And if you are willing to accept the challenge, it is highly rewarding throughout your life, and to help you make your decision, let us look at the following points. Okay. Now, there is a wide range of career opportunities or options when you are looking at information technology, because it is not a standalone business. It intersects with every other industry, making it a versatile job option. Digital transformation is pushing change in all fields of the industry, from healthcare to agriculture to sports, and it allows IT workers to select a career that matches their interests. There are at least 30 new developing disciplines in IT that will find full-scale development in the next 5 to 10 years. And as a result, tech professionals will be able to choose, from a variety of fascinating career paths, while also driving global, innovation forward. And another reason is because there is quick employment. Yes, the demand is strong and there aren't enough qualified professionals to cover the gap. So tech companies are trying to hire IT specialists. The trend isn't likely to change anytime soon, as the tech industry is expected to expand even further. So there is always a job for you to do when you are in the tech industry. Now, like the last speaker mentioned, IT techs, they have good remuneration. Professionals in the field of technology are valued for their distinct skill sets. They are priceless assets in any company. So even at junior entry-level positions, their monetary reward is, far higher than the average that you have in, other sectors. Now, there is easy career growth in tech. Yes, IT personnel, they adapt in conjunction with technological advancements. It's a necessity, it's a requirement of the job. You just have to advance, However, because of their constant quest for information, they are able to advance their careers considerably more quickly and easily than in any other fields. And another beautiful thing about tech is that it has very few requirements. Yes, you don't necessarily need to be a graduate to start tech, or you don't necessarily need to have any experience at all before you venture into tech. You are welcome just the way you are. You can start immediately. Now, when you talk about tech, because it offers many possibilities of being self-employed, work-life balance is a bit easier. Now, constant change is also a good point to note, because constant challenge actually, because there is always a problem for you to solve when you're in tech. There is always a challenge that you have to overcome. And what they say with challenges, it brings about growth, Now, let's quickly run, through some tips for starting an IT career. Now, number one, I know maybe you're already in another field, maybe you've grown to the position of a manager or in another field and you want to venture into IT. Number one, you have to be willing to start from the bottom. It is crucial to remember that with IT, you might have to start over. See, in your previous industry, you may have been a manager or an experienced professional, but keep in mind that you are living for a purpose. Now, you have to prepare yourself to start at the bottom and work your way up. And working at the bottom of the ladder will provide you with essential experience that, as you advance to more difficult positions, is going to pay off at the end of the day. Now, another important thing is this. Now, I know you want to be maybe a cybersecurity expert or a database administrator and everything, but it's also important for you to learn relevant entry-level tech skills, the rudiments, the the little ones as you grow up, because there are a million various things to learn about technology that can help you boost your CV. Yes, for example, knowing how to post on WordPress, for instance, or, coupling computer hardware could be a valuable asset to your next employer. You might never know. Learning new skills and reinforcing old ones can be as simple as, going to YouTube and watching a variety of free videos. They are there all over the place. So learning little IT skills, can go a long way. Now, your unrelated degree is an asset, yes. Now, do not be too quick to show aside your unrelated degree. Maybe you graduated with you are a Greek. You studied agriculture, you studied philosophy, or you studied business administration. No, don't be too quick to show it aside, because it gives you a unique perspective towards solving problems. And we know that tech is about solving problems. For example, a philosophy major has a deeper understanding of logic, and that could help you, should you choose to be a programmer, and and so on. Now, it's also a good idea for you to earn IT certifications, in as much as maybe you didn't go to the university to study, information technology. It would be a good idea for you to earn your IT certifications, because obtaining them may be the quickest path into the field of information technology. Now, you demonstrate to potential employers that you have the skills they require by becoming certified. Yes, it can go a long way. And, and it doesn't really take much to do, because, while wanting to earn the degree may take you like 4 years, obtaining IT certifications might be between, a matter of weeks. So that's one thing you have to look at as well. Now, you have to leverage on the power of networking again, because the first speaker also, talked about this. You can never overemphasize the power of networking when it comes to tech. Your connections will wow you with their strength. For example, when it comes to filling a position in an organization, most businesses prefer to hire someone based on a referral rather than interviewing a group of strangers. So networking is very, very important when it comes to tech. Now, another beautiful thing is that no experience is needed. Just welcome as you are.